the whole world. What we're all about, we the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, Barrettes, we'll always be there for each other. Ooh, Barrettes, yeah. Styling how we feel, talking about best friends. Yeah. Together we can do anything. All got a plan, a dream, take a chance and believe, make it real.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome lavish gang. So I'm gonna show you guys how I moisturize and just protect and help my hair grow within these braids. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you guys my empty oil bottle because I use this a lot when I am in protective styles, and it is the Do Grow anti-itch, but I also use the other one. It's an orange colored one, and yeah, I use that one too. So as you can see, I'm squeezing the bottle. I'm squeezing it for dear life because I paid money and it was a bit expensive, so I'm gonna use up every bit of that oil in my hair. But I'm gonna refill that same bottle with some other oil that I bought and put on my scalp as well. For now I'm squeezing it. I'm squeezing it all my edges. And guys, I didn't even get to like rinse my face and my edges and stuff because I was out. Okay, and I have to film something else after this, so I'm just showing you guys what I do in general, you know, just to give you guys an idea of how I protect my hair in these braids. Okay, so I take this sweet almond oil. I'm gonna pour it on my hair. That was a bad idea because it was just a little too much. So that is just something not to do. That's what not to do. Okay, that's what not to do. But regardless, so as you can see, I'm just gonna be, you know, massaging the scalp, stimulating the hair growth, you know, making sure that the oil just reaches down to my scalp, everything like that. So I just put it in this applicator, the same Do Grow bottle, and it was way easier, you know. It's way easier. If you have an old oil bottle, just make sure and put it in, and you know everything's gonna be okay. So you can reach your scalp, obviously. So yeah, I'm enjoying this. I was enjoying this, right? It just feels good, especially when you have on braids. It's like oil in your scalp. To me, feels amazing. So make sure and do it. It also helps with your hair growth and everything, and just helps, you know, to, I guess, nourish your hair while it's in this style, right? So then again, just massaging the scalp, and you know when you have on braids, it feels so good when you just like move the braids and massage the scalp. I thought I almost, you know, just put oil all in my eye, but I was okay, I was good. So this is the next moisturizer, this ORS oil moisturizer that I use a lot, and then the strengthening lotion from Shea Moisture, the black castor oil one. I use that one a lot too. And then I have the cream of nature, coconut milk, right, is the next moisturizer basically, and then this is the natural collection moisturizer. But I don't use all of them. I'm showing you guys this because during the braids process and stuff, you know, I was using first, you know, the oil moisturizer, and then like and then the Shea Moisture moisturizer on top of it, and that was it. Just to like, because I find the oil moisturizer wasn't like doing enough. So when I pair it with the Shea Moisture moisturizer, it was combining well and, you know, feeling good. But yeah, so since my Shea Moisture has finished, I use the Cantu conditioner, the coconut milk conditioner, and that works good paired with the ORS oil moisturizer. So yeah, so I use the oil. I guess I tried to do the LOC method or whatever, but I end up just oiling my scalp first rather than just putting the leave-in and stuff first, right? But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And since those stuff have finished, I opted to use the Nature's collection. Sorry, I opted to use the Nature's collection argan oil to put on my hair instead. And you're gonna see me use also the Cantu on my hair as well. And I'm putting in a place I've thought was felt just a bit dry. And yeah, so that's what I do. You know, I do it like once every day, either morning, evening, or whatever. Or maybe if my hair still feels okay, like once every 2 days, depending on how I feel. It just depends on, like, I just listen to my hair. Okay, I listen to my hair. So I got a bonnet. I put it on the bonnet and stuffing all that hair into that bonnet because I'm still trying to protect our hair, even though sometimes it falls off during the night because of the weight of the braids. But that's okay because we have satin pillowcases over here. Okay, in the lavish gang, in the lavish community. Okay. But that's basically everything I do. So bye.
Have mercy.